want to tell my story. Yeah, before I young, I like to cook. Yeah, I cook with my mom. Yeah, and we are cook look like street foods. Yeah, they are cook. My family is cooking from selling street foods. Yeah. After that, my story, before I come to finish school. After that, I come to work in the Bangkok, and I see some of the people help me to go to work from the hotel. I start work from the stewarding. Yeah. After that, the chef, he like me working. He want me to become chef. After that, I become chef from the helper first for 2 years. After that, he like me cook, and then he become demi chef, call me one, and after that, he send me to work from outside in the Jordan. You know, I work from the Jordan. After that, I learn English slowly from the English. Yeah. After that, I can English is not well, but I okay for me. I know about how to cook the food because I like to cook. I know, but English, I really poor English. I'm so sorry. That's it. Okay.
My name is Yoginder and I'm the executive chef of Grand Hyatt Kochi. So a little bit which I want to talk about Chef Kung is that she felt the happiest when she was in the kitchen. Apart from that, her journeys took her to various parts of the world. When she's been to Middle East, she was in Dubai, she was in Doha, she was in Kuwait. Then she thought that a little bit of her Asian roots should also, because she's Asian, so she thought that she should also travel towards more Asian countries. So she went to Hong Kong, she went to China, she also had a short stint in Japan, and then ultimately in the US, and then from there she came to India. Ever since she's come to Kochi, she's been creating waves, and her food is being appreciated very well from everyone. And she also loves Kochi. She loves to go out on her off days, and she especially loves the water and the greenery in Kochi. So please do come over to the Thai Soul at Grand Hyatt Kochi and enjoy her specially curated new dishes and heirloom recipes. Thank you.